Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Today we'll be working on a 2001 Volvo S60. The customer complained that immediately he engages the jar and tries to drive. Uh, the light will go for. We now move from just this D, and you now have those dash lines, and the car will no longer accelerate until it turns the car off and back on. So we are going to scan it and see what error there is in the car. So I initially did the scan before I started the recording, so I just want to redo the scan again so that you will see the error codes there. Okay, funny enough, the transmission didn't show any error code. Didn't show any error code. But meanwhile, the engine control module has an error code here, saying that the transmission control module is receiving a faulty signal 530D. Now this can be so many things. So what I'm going to do first of all is to clear all the codes, do a quick erase. Then after that, we'll test drive and see some of these things was cleared. So those codes refuse to go. So what we are going to do, we are going to test drive, and I will see. So we are going to do, after test driving, the error still came back. So we are going to check out for the code that came in after test driving. Initially, I erased the code as the driver to go and test drive, the owner to test drive. He has test drive and he has come, and it says the error still repeat itself. So we are going to do another scan again and see what error codes are there now. Okay, the engine control module still broke out 1/4 code. 53 OD. This was the error code it brought out before, and this error code was meant for the jar bus system. It's just recorded in the engine control model. So I'm going to do a live scan on the transmission control model. We are going to check some parameters and see if we are getting what we are supposed to get. The engine speed is here. As you can see from the engine speed is okay. Accelerator pedal position is 0. I'll rev the engine now. Temperature is there, gear ratio there, torque. These values. So we are going to check these values. So we are going to test drive and check these values and see what we will get, and see if actually we are getting input from the ABS, then the input speed sensor and the vehicle speed sensor. So we are going to check out these values. So we are here at the engine, and you can see over down there the sensor is there. So I'm likely going to remove this. When I'm done, I'll show the sensor. After removing this, you can see it has been damaged. So, and how to, don't know how we can have this back, but as you can see, it's damaged. Rat has eaten up this stuff. So let's see what we can do. One time. Okay, finally I've been able to join the wire for the input speed sensor here. I also noticed there are other damage done by rodent on this car. This other one. So I will tidy up all the damaged wire. Then I will assemble it once I'm done. See what I'm saying? Okay. Which one? Now I've joined the wires. It was difficult on this as well. We'll check. See what I work. Everything is okay. Everything has been assembled back. So we'll test drive the car. Then later we'll go and scan we'll go and scan it for error codes and see whether error codes is still there. Now we have test drive the car, so let's just check it for error codes. So the one you have here in the engine was, when we remove disassemble the engine in order for us to have access to remove the sensor. That is why you see this code here. So I really know. So now let's go back to the transmission unit as a gearbox. At that time we check for there are no error codes. Definitely want to read that parameter of that RPM input sensor. So you can see now that it's actually giving a value. Before now it wasn't giving any value. So problem has been solved. This is Azar and Arez autel. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Facebook page. Like, share and subscribe and comment on my videos. Thank you for watching.